Hi everyone, welcome to today's product sharing. This is Donald here from MarTech Wise. I'm with Parvez from the team at Themesgrove. Today we're bringing to you the Tutorque LMS WordPress team from Themesgrove. This is a LMS WordPress team that's suitable for those who are using either LearnDash or Tutorque LMS. I'm going to hand this over to Parvez to introduce more about the product for today and also to what they've lined up for the community at large. So Parvez, over to you.
Hi everyone, this is Parvez from Themesgrove, and as Donald mentioned already, we are going to feature Tutorque LMS theme. It's basically the LMS WordPress theme for who want to create online courses, training centers, online academy, online institute, online school, elementary school, language school, college, and university, and so on. So if you are a coach or a freelancer or a entrepreneur, business owner who want to build site for yourself or want to build site for your client, this is the perfect theme we have catered for you. So as you can see, we have developed the WordPress theme entirely for the LMS in mind, and everything you need for an education website, we have it for you, or we are planning to build you, and we are always welcome for your feedback. So Tutorque LMS theme is I already spoke about it for the Professional Education Institute. So right now we do have, I can jump into the section. We do have LearnDash and Tutorque LMS integration, but we have planned to introduce LearnPress and Sensi as well. So our theme is also equipped with the Widget Kit, which has the Sensi and LearnPress widget, which I will talk about later. But we have planned to integrate all the popular LMS inside the theme. So if you are building with any LMS, we'll got you covered. So if you can see, as we know that we have already our school or education institute all move over to online. So Zoom is the pretty much core to everyone, and we already have Zoom already have integrated with LearnDash and Tutorque by their core integration, and we do support as well. And the main purpose of this theme is to, let me just go through my slides, so it will be easier for me to speak. Okay, so main purpose for us to build this theme is number one, we've already been in the market for a very long time, and we have been developing educational WordPress theme for a very long time, and we are one of the top seller of education WordPress theme, ThemeForest, and other marketplaces. So we thought, how about create a best educational WordPress theme, combining our experience and the features needed by the professionals. So we studied all the themes, including ourselves, and we found that pretty much all educational theme has something has common which is lacking. So right now accessibility feature which is lacking, where people doesn't care about the accessibility feature incorporating in their theme. So this is lacking, and we also wanted to make a educational theme or LMS theme that is capable to serve all the LMS plugins. And the community also is very important for an educational website for a coach or education. So BuddyPress and BBPress integration is also very vital. So that's the things in mind. We have developed we have been developing this theme around 4 to 5 months before the pandemic start. So we started developing the theme, and now we are ready to launch the theme in the community. So this is the behind the scene of our, why we are developing the theme. So let me show you. Right now we have 3 website designed for 2 LMS, and we have more design coming your way every month. So I have design ready, and our developer is working on the new design. Right now we can see the university layout, online course, and course layout, and both are available for both CMS. And we also, as Donald mentioned, that the theme is based on the Elementor, which is the very best and, in our opinion, and the most popular plugin, page builder plugin in the market. So we have extended the Elementor and created lots and lots of widgets for the theme. So I can show you later on. how we have built, and we have incorporated the one-click demo importer. And this is very important because when you set up the theme, there is so many plugins, dependency, and demo data need to be imported. So we build the importer for you. So just within a few clicks, your theme is going to be up and running smoothly. And I will go walk you through on that. And everything in our theme is customizer friendly and built with the customizer. There is no clunky framework or bulky framework, theme framework. So it's pretty much customizer friendly, and everything is one place. So we do have multilingual support, and we are also working on the demo for the multilingual, and of course we support WooCommerce and others. So as you can see, we already have the various kind of header layout we've made for the theme, and also some are on the making. Our team is working on the new layout and header. And you can see the BuddyPress layout and the BuddyPress is also working pretty fine. The next important thing is we are also going to give Widget Kit Pro, which is our Pro Elementor plugin, including the theme, so that you can have the Pro plugin with your themes, Pro element with your themes. And I will walk you through over the Widget Kit part also. So our team support these plugins right now, and more the integration is coming. We are testing the theme. And the important part is Tutorque LMS guys is very generous to us and giving us a 25% discount to all Tutorque LMS purchase. And we are trying to bring you more deal. Like we have an accessibility plugin purposefully built for this theme, but it will work on any website, and you are also going to get the theme with plugin with your theme. So yeah, this is the overview of the theme. We do have LearnDash and Tutor landing page to understand more about the feature and integration you're going to get with the theme. Should I go through the walkthrough?
Sure. Parvez, do we want to take a quick look at the Widget Pro homepage?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Sorry, do you want to take a quick look at the Widget Kit Pro?
Yeah. So
maybe you can open the homepage and take a look.
As I was saying that the theme will Widget Kit Pro you also made with the Elementor. So Widget Kit is already active installed, 20,000 plus active installed on WordPress repo. And we do have the very deep and tight integration with LearnDash. This is the first Elementor plugin, I can say, that has the single page or course page layout builder for Elementor. So you can drag and drop and build the LearnDash layout with Elementor. So you can do pretty much anything. We do have 4 layout right now, and our team is working on the new layout. Right now you can see the LearnDash podcast layout and the other 3 layout. And Widget Kit also comes with 28 plus free elements. We do have headlines, button, call to action, and so many elements down the line, and do have 27 pro elements as well. So you can see the LearnDash widgets also have course tab element widgets, course list, course banner, all the things you need to build a course landing page. We do have WooCommerce widget to build a WooCommerce page as well with Elementor, and more pro widget. You can imagine we are very open for any kind of suggestion or feedback, so we can build the plugin right for you. And we do have 20 plus ready-made template right inside the Widget Kit. So you can just click and install the paste template inside your Widget Kit dashboard. And we do have the Lottie animation plugin, animation options, and a lot of other things as well. So where is the Widget Kit?
Great. Cool. So I think with that in mind, right, let's get to maybe the walkthrough. Let's take a look at how straightforward is it straightforward to install the Tutorque theme?
Okay, so here you can see I have a fresh installation of WordPress. There is nothing installed in the site, so I'm just going to parents themes and going to install the themes right away. So I'm going to install the Tutorque theme and see how we can onboard the full theme experience with you. This is pretty smooth and work like a charm. So let's see. I think I have a little bit slow internet right now. It was working fine.
Yep.
Yeah, so the theme is installed and let me activate the theme. So whenever you activate the theme, you will go and here's the onboarding screen. So you can just go and click the start button and you will see the theme requires some plugin. You can expand it. Here's the required plugin that will automatically install. You can install the Tutorque LMS, events calendar, or contact form 7, or if you want WooCommerce, I'm just gonna ignore it now. But you can pretty much have this plugin installed right on the bat. So I'm going to install it now. So you can see when the plugin is going to install, it will turn to green. So this will take a few moments, as you know, the plugin
no problem.
Going to install.
So while the plugins is being installed, how about, say, Widget Kit for Elementor, right? Do you have any plans for, say, integration with Tutorque LMS?
Right now, we don't have any integration for Widget Kit like LearnDash, but we are working on the Tutorque integration for the Widget Kit as well.
Right.
So everyone will get the integration.
Sure. I think, of course, all these things will take time, of course, but I think the idea is that it's really about ease of use, right? And how we can actually make the life easier for LMS site creators, or agencies who are building LMS sites.
And right? our goal is to provide each and every tools you need to build an LMS themes and manage the themes. Whatever you needed, we are very much open for the ideas and feedback, so we can integrate it either Widget Kit or the theme itself. So our vision is to provide all the necessary tools and plugins you need to just run your educational institute or website or a business.
Great.
So it's going to install and we're almost there. Contact form 7 is going to install.
Yep.
So the theme is basically our main concept was to make the theme is very light. So except the sample data and the plugins, the theme itself is just 2.5 megabytes. And our vision is to make it more lightweight and more faster. As you know, the Google is more concerned about the fast loading website, and so do we. So we are working every day to make the theme meet the full Google standard and make it more lightweight as possible. So you see the theme installation is done. So we are on the next screen. Install the child theme. If you want to install the child theme for customization purpose or anything you want to put some custom coding, so you need child theme. You can skip it or install it. So let's just install it, the child theme. Won't take much time. The child theme is also installed. So another thing about the others theme company that they don't have child theme for pretty much everything, but we do ship the child theme from the beginning. So you can just customize anything you want. So here is the pre-built website I have shown in the website, Tutorque University online course LearnDash. So we are going to install the Tutorque University and click the import button. So it will import the contents and widget. So after that, we will see how the website looks like. It takes some time.
It will take some time to.
It takes some time. There is a lot of contents inside the demo data, the course pages and the plugins. So depending on your internet speed, it will maybe install in a second or maybe took some minutes.
Yeah. So I guess if okay, that's fast. Almost done then.
Yeah, yeah, 100% done, and we are
Cool.
ready to. Yeah, so now I can view the websites and see the website is ready. This the design we have
Right. Okay.
choose to install, and you can see it exactly as like in the demo. So we have the
Right.
contents
Very
and
good.
each and everything is here ready. So now I'm going to do an installation of our uh, accessibility plugin and see what we have done for accessibility, because we take the accessibility very seriously. So let me just log in. It's logged out. What is happening? This is cookie are blocked or not supported by your browser. What? Okay. So
Okay.
as we have already installed the theme. Right now we are going to install the plugin, and let's see
Right.
what the plugin look like. This is the accessibility toolkit plugin. This is also a premium plugin we are developing, and we're going to give it with the theme. So you can
Okay.
see.
Parvez, I think your camera's pointing at your t-shirt.
Oops,
If that's
sorry,
what you
sorry, sorry,
want.
sorry,
It's
sorry,
okay.
sorry,
No
sorry. No,
worries.
no, no.
Yeah.
I'm really
Sorry
sorry.
about that.
Okay, so activate the plugin.
Cool. Does
Yeah,
this plugin
so
only work with the Tutorque team, or does it work with in general?
it will work with the other theme as well, but right now it's we have built just for the Tutorque theme in mind.
Sure.
So
Sure.
you can see it has. Let me monitor. It has the accessibility icons right here.
Right.
If you are familiar with XSB and or any other service for accessibility, you know they are very much pricey. If you go to the XSB, I think, yeah, XSB,
Yep.
they are expensive, and they are started with 490 per year for their tools and
Yep.
other stuff. And what they will provide, they will give you the accessibility tool, right? It will pop right here. Just like these accessibility tools. So whenever
Sure.
someone enter the site, they will see the physically challenged or challenged people who entered the site. They can click the monochrome and then make the website full black and white. If they have some scaling issue, they can increase the font size and decrease the font size. They can highlight the titles and other stuffs. They can highlight the link as well. They can make the cursor very big, and they can align the content. Uh, so this is the accessibility tool. We are also working on enhancing the tool so that any customer you have for your website who is accessible challenged, so they can use this tool and access the website. This is another premium plugin we are
Sure.
also including inside the theme.
Sure. Sure.
So this is the plugin, and let me go through the what is it, customizer. So let me customize the theme for a bit. So here, when you land on the customizer side, you see there we already separated our options with the WordPress code. This is the WordPress code features
Right.
where you can change the site title and favicon and other stuff.
Sure.
So menu widget, this is the WordPress code. Here comes the Tutorque options panel. So you can change the primary color, secondary color, background color, layout. You can make the wide layout or box layout, any kind of layout you want. You can adjust the width with box layout and do it. One thing we have done pretty interesting is the header part. So if I go to the header part and the general settings, I can make the header sticky. Right now it's sticky, but we have a translucent feature. So if you enable this translucent feature and change the background color to some opacity, let me just make it. See, this is the translucent header. This is the beautiful header. This is the trendy header. You can build and give it any color you want. So this is the translucent feature, and you can add a login button or any kind of call to action button in the header part as well. So let me go to the other settings. This is the blog settings. You can control the blog layout, sidebar layout, single post layout. You can control all the blog content features as well.
Right.
So we do have every feature in mind to build this site, and we are working on updating and adding new features every day. So
that's cool.
This is the customizer part, and let me show you the widget kit. So the theme comes built with the Widget Kit Pro. So you will see the Widget Kit menu here. So if I go to the Widget Kit and you will see the elements section. Here's all the element sections. Elements are built here. So you can enable and disable the element you want. These are the all free elements. And here, this is the pro elements. This is the WooCommerce element we are talking about, the single product element and all the stuffs. This is the LearnDash elements you need. This is the LearnPress elements. We don't have LearnPress tight integration with the theme, but we do have LearnPress widgets for the widget kit, and we do have Sensi widget as well. So we are going to add Tutorque widget also. So here's all the pro elements, and with the changelog, you can see we update pretty much frequently. Whenever we come find the bug or add new features, we update it. And here's the template library of widget kit. So if you want to go with any ready-made template, here is the template collection, and we are also working on adding new layout on here. So let's see if I want to go with this office layout for a landing page or other part of the website. I can see the preview here, how it looks like, and I can import this template either directly in Elementor, or I can create a page with this template. So let's go ahead and create a page. Let's say office layout and create page. So template is imported and page is created. So let's preview the page. As you can see, the office layout page is ready. I think there is some bug. Not sure where it's coming from. Okay, there is some issue, I think, so we have to check. But I think you got the point.
Yeah.
So the full page is ready.
Cool.
So this is Widget Kit. We are also including in these themes. And let me show you the LearnDash demo. I think it's this tab. What it is. This is this tutor. Let me go and check with the LearnDash theme. So we are showing the tutor part. Now there is the LearnDash part. You can see Widget Kit comes built with the LearnDash course template. So here's some layout example. This is the single page layout one, which is the default LearnDash layout. So if you install the LearnDash, you will see this just right off the bat. So here's second layout that is comes with Widget Kit, and you can customize it with Elementor as well. This is the second layout. We have built with Widget Kit and Elementor, and we have more layout. And if you can use Elementor and you have Widget Kit, so you can build any kind of layout you want with our Learn Dash widget for Elementor.
Right. Right.
So this is another layout. And if you are a podcaster or you also want to highlight your podcast or website, there is a podcast layout as well.
Right.
This is all Learn Dash with Elementor and Widget Kit. So
right.
yeah, that's it. And we do have BuddyPress and BBPress integration as well as part of our vision that we can enable the community feature. So let me give you a quick BuddyPress demo. Here's the BuddyPress activity stream, and let's see, loading the is the BuddyPress activity stream. I go to a profile. I will see the profile page, and there is member dashboard. And if you log in, you can see more options in the BuddyPress site. So here's the profile page of another person. Is his activity feed, and I go to the BBPress, which is forum. Many people have the forum feature for their community. So here is the BBPress forum. So this is the sections, forum section. This is the topics, and this is the discussions. Everything is well designed and very minimalistic. So you can customize it as well with your favorite color or font or anything you want.
Right. Right.
Yeah. So
yep.
That is it for now. I think I have shown everything. So
great. I mean, that's cool. I think it's pretty straightforward, I guess. For me, like, to be honest, right, for me, right, I'm less of a designer and developer. I'm more of a like a person who starts stuff, right? Whether you want to call that a business person or what. So honestly, ease of use is the most important to me. I really want things to kind of like as much as possible work out of the box, and with minimal maintenance needed lah. So the way I see it, I think that's pretty much what we see here. Of course, I think as under the hood, you can still do quite a fair bit of customization thanks to Elementor and also to the Widget Kit integration. Parvez, what's your long-term aim for the theme? I see that you've also integrated. So it works also with things like Zoom integration, right? Correct?
Yeah. Basically, the Zoom integration is part of the Learn Dash and Tutor. They are coming with the core feature with the Zoom integration, and we do have some standings and other stuff fixed for these themes. But for our long-term vision is to make this theme perfect for all the popular LMS right now in the market. For example, Learn Dash, Tutorque, Sensi, LearnPress, and whatever comes in the market, and make it more user-friendly for the creators, and add the more accessibility feature, and optimize for the performance and SEO. So let me just give you the example of accessibility. This is the installation I have done. So if I go to inspect section and I go to the Lighthouse, and if I see the best practice accessibility and SEO, so click on generating the report. You can see the accessibility score and best practices we have made with the themes according to Google, definitely. So it takes some time to analyze the code. See, accessibility score is 95%. Best practice is 85%. It's 85% because WordPress ships with a jQuery version, which is very old, 1.12, which we have nothing to do, but we have planned to upgrade the jQuery. But there is no security risk at customer end. But this is it. So accessibility score is 95, SEO score is 91. So our goal is to keep the standard and make the theme more faster, lightweight, and versatile as possible.
Great. Cool. So maybe just to round it up and everything. So would you say this is the ideal customer for the Tutorque team would be I guess, agency, web designers, web developers, as well as LMS site owners?
Yeah, the ideal customer for who the creator who want to build the education empire, or the instructor or consultant who are selling the course online. But freelancer, developer, or agency also can be benefited from this theme, and they can implement this theme to their school, college, and other places as well, elementary school and online institute. We do have some layout for language institute, which is coming in the next. So if you want to make language schools, online language school, language course you want to sell, you do have the layout you want. That is right now is under the work. We are working on it right now.
Cool. So I think that's pretty much, I guess, what we have for today. So all in all, I think basically at the end of the day, right, this is for people who value their time and want to just get something that's an LMS site that's working out of the box, right? So with the Tutorque team, I think you can get that pretty fast, as kind of like demonstrated through in this walkthrough. So yeah, so we kind of like want to hear your comments and what your thoughts about it. So you can either comment in the YouTube video this is posted on, or you can comment in our Facebook community. So we'd like to hear more about what you feel, and I think Parvez and the team at Themesgrove would really want to hear more of your feedback and suggestions. So with that in mind, Parvez, thank you very much for the walkthrough today. I know the team at the community is going to love it.
Yeah, thank you for having me, and I believe community will love it, and we can't wait to see your feedbacks and others activities, how the community react on the
okay, cool. We look forward to the successful launch then. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.